Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Jira Software and its settings. So Jira Software offers a wide range of settings that allow users to customize the tool to meet their specific needs. Overall, I found the settings in Jira Software to be well designed and intuitive, making it easy for users to configure the tools to work the way they want it to. So one key of strength in Jira software settings is its ability to configure workflows. User can create customized workflows that reflects their specific project's requirements, allowing them to define the states that users can be in, as well as the transitions between those states. This flexibility makes it easy to create workflows and match and workflow that match the specific needs of each others, helping to ensure that tool supports efficient and effective project management. So Jira Software also offers a range of settings related to notifications, which are here the notifications. Users can configure notifications to be sent when certain events occur, such as when an issue is assigned to them or when a comment is added to an issue. This helps users stay informed about change to issues that they are interested in without being overwhelmed with unnecessary notifications. So here we have the settings, apps, issues, account settings, project management, billing, and let's search for notification settings. I think they are with the system settings. So another strength of Jira software settings is the ability to customize use fields. So let's start with those settings first and not skip anything. Let's go with general configurations. We have the title, email form, introductions. We have options, audit log, and we have project roles. You can give people and members roles. You can add a member description. Here we have the global permissions, Jira permissions. We have make bulk, administrator Jira, browse users groups, share dashboard, and others. You can select a permission and a group, and you can grant them more permissions. Here we have issue collector. Jira have a system collecting their issues, and we have global automations. So users can customize fields and use or hide fields that are not relevant to their specific project. This makes it easy to tailor the tool to meet the needs of each project and ensure that users only see the information that's most important for them. So here we have the automation. They give you an example. When a bug is created, add someone as a watcher. When an issue is assigned, transmit something. You can add it to some apps. You can view your users of automations. Here we have the user interface. We have the system and default dashboard, and you can configure dashboard here. Welcome to Jira. You can enable it, reduce, choose colors. We have assigned to me. You can add gadgets, change the layout. It has drag and drop. No, it doesn't have a drag and drop. Features, you can just keep adding those assigned to me, and you can You can fill your dashboard with all of these. Here we have looks and feels. Here you can add files, titles, you can change the logo, the favicon, the background. You can here switch colors. You can update the background of the dashboard. Here we have the announcement banner, the backup manager, and you can add it to cloud saving. So you can import external system import, Java server, global mail settings. Here we have the mail settings and the notification settings. Like I said, it's customizable. And here we have email power, email processors, database, and others. And we have send mails, outgoing mails. We have permission helper, notification helper, filters, dashboards, here with the shared items. And here we have the services settings of Jira, priorities, and others. So I think that's it for the settings. Overall, I believe that Jira Software offers a strong set of settings that allow users to customize the tool to meet their specific needs. The ability to configure workflows, notifications, and issue field is as it allows users to tailor the tools to match the specific requirement of each project, as I said. While there is room for improvements in the user interface, I believe that the settings in Jira Software are generally well designed and easy to use. And there are some shortcuts for the dashboard settings and others. Here we have the board setting, create board, hide menu, print cards, and others. Here, everywhere. So here we have the settings. Here you see your profile, manage account, personal settings, the theme. Here you can set up the dark theme. Your top navigation menu has customized colors. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.